Do you think my mom's worried about me? Because I live close to here.
Do you really? Oh.
Yeah, what I do up here.
Good job. There you go.
I don't think she's worried. I bet she's thinking about you, though.
Did it get you yet? Did?
Cutie.
You think your fingers were carrots? That's why you have to hold that really flat.
I can see the house with all those grown-up puppies. Hi, Grandma lives that way.
Really?
We live down that street.
See, where's some... Just hold your hand out real flat.
You are
okay?
being very sweet
Let
about
me think you can see the horses right here. Just keep your hand real flat.
That was fun on the bus, and that's fun over here.
There you go.
Your dog doesn't
They're done.
share. You know.